should be having sundowners, but this is all we've got. Nothing to drink. Nothing. This week on Life on Jupiter, we check out the highlights of Carriacou, we get creative with the sewing machine, and tend to some long overdue maintenance.
You are my sunshine on a rainy day.
I'm Princess and I'm a lounge singer.
I'm Jamie and I fly aeroplanes. We decided to take a year off and go sailing, but thanks to COVID, now we spend our life on Jupiter.
Welcome aboard and join us on our circumnavigation.
Oh, we got woken up with some guy bang, bang, bang on our side of the boat this morning. 6 o'clock it turned out to be. We thought it was someone trying to sell fruit and veggies or something, but it was a couple of guys telling us we had to move because we're in the way of a tanker coming in. There was a few other boats in the way too. They were moving, so we had to move. We went and moved way out the back here, and then Princess says we're too close to the channel, and I went nah, yeah, you're right. So we moved again. So finally the ship is here. It's coming in. We were hoping it was fruit and veggies coming in because there's not much food here, but it's a gas tanker. That's the one thing we do not need. Our time was starting to run short in Carriacou, Grenada. We had 2 weeks left before our visa expired. There were still a few places that we just had to see before we left this awesome island. The first stop, White Island, to the south of Carriacou. Heaps of birds diving in the water here. There's going to be bait fish up here, and where there's bait fish, there should be big fish. So we've got the line in, we'll see what we get. Probably get a bird. In fact, we probably will get a bird.
They always get the lure. They're there, Navi. We need to go there.
Stockings. I like your stocking. What'd you get?
It's a starfish. It's like a flower.
It's a sand dollar. But it was cheaper than $1. More like a sand Eastern Caribbean dollar.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna let him go?
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Hmm?
Smells like money?
No, it smells like fish.
Woo. I hope he lands on his face. I mean, on his feet.
Aww.
You might have to go check.
No, it's like that.
Yeah.
Should I go swim again?
You go tip him over. You can do me spinning and then you do the sewing, yeah?
Today we're gonna make fuel tank cover.
We've had a dirty old towel always sitting over the fuel tank to keep it out of the sun. So finally, since the sewing machine is already out, we will make a cover.
Does it fit?
Yeah. Yep. I think it'll be fine.
Very nice. This is the last side.
Yep, the last edge, corner. New pants for the fuel tank. Are you the fuel tank, are you?
I don't have a pants. Yay. Ready? It's like small. Oh, it's too tight.
Pants are too small? No way!
Too small. Too fit.
Well, you want a baggy pants, do you? Keep this.
I'm happy now. And we have Philippine flags also now.
Hey, finally getting around to doing a job I should have done years ago. The glue that holds the polycarb onto the window frames was no good. Got it in the Philippines. It's supposed to be specifically for polycarbonate to glue. But the builder, the normal glue that he used to get, he couldn't get it anymore in the Philippines. So he used this glue that they said, and it all failed. Every window fell out, basically. So within about 2 months, even the big main polycarbonate main windows fell off. They didn't fall off, but they were, you could see they were lifting. So like this. That. So I got some of the correct glue from Thailand, which is this. This has since been upgraded to a different glue which does not stick. So yeah, I was able to get this older version. This is probably 4 years old now, but it's still okay. I've opened it up, it's still good. Actually, no, open this in. Yep. So I had replaced the glue on most of the windows, but not these 4. And all I did in the meantime was put 2 screws in the hole just so it wouldn't fall off in a C. We got time now, so I am replacing the glue. So the glue will go a bead around here, put the window on, and you could just use water and a cloth to smooth it out. And then it will be good. Comes off easy. Let's see, the glue does not adhere to the polycarb at all. Yet they sell it to you called glue for polycarb. Now, you wonder why we glue these polycarb windows and we don't just screw them in, or screw and glue. The reason is polycarb expands and contracts in the heat of the sun significantly. And so when you put hard points like screws, polycarb cracks, and you can see cracking around the screw hole. So you try and avoid the screws. As I said, I put these 2 screws in just before we started crossing South China Sea. So polycarb's still fine. You can still use it. So it's almost time for sundown. In fact, I started early. But we're at a lovely bay called Anse-la Roche, which I'm only guessing. I might have to Google this, but I think it just means bay with a rock in it, which I'm guessing is this rock here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to go over there on the beach. There's about 6 boats here now. Maybe, there's no one there now, but maybe we'll start a trend. Everyone to go ashore for sundowners. Check it out.
Let's go.
That's a lovely beach. But no one. 6 boats here, and we're the only ones here, and I do know why now. It's expensive at the bar there. It's crazy. It's Miami prices, I'm sure. On a beach shack. But anyway, it was nice. Nice place to sit. Watch the sunset. Watch the pelicans. Let's go home and drink, yeah? Let's go. Join us next week as we prepare to leave Carriacou, Grenada, and head for St. Vincent and the Grenadines.